Congratulations! 31st edition of OKB! Yay!
Congratulations! Yay!
Of the 31st Orgulyo Can Bicol Regional Trade Fair, the longest running DTI-initiated regional trade fair all over the country. Our pride, of course, the 111 MSME exhibitors that we will be featuring in this 31st OKB Orgulyo Can Bicol Regional Trade Fair. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
In fact, next week, we'll be in Europe to bring our PB to the European market via the CL, and we'll do business, outbound business mission to the Netherlands and Belgium. So hopefully, we'll make it in Europe by next week.
Maganda raw po ang suporta ng Central Office at ng Region. Maganda talaga po ang daloy. At hindi lang po yan, may maganda pang suporta sa local government. Nandyan po ang napakagandang mayor ng Tabaco City. Ayan po.
Years of existence na po ang OKB. It's a strong proof that OKB is one of the best marketing platform for our MSMEs. In those 27 long years, we have achieved many significant milestones, not to mention the biggest and the grandest edition in 2019, where we gathered 301 participants and generated historical sales of 58 million.
See your fair share of bright days, and some night skies too.
Basta gawang Bicol, masiram.
Basta gawang Bicol, Oragon!
Basta gawang Bicol, Oragon!
Oh, but sure wonder to witness.
To our dedicated exhibitors, participants, and partners, thank you for sharing your passion, talent, and the rich heritage and traditions of our region. So for 27 years, together with the DTI and the DOT, this regional trade and travel fair has served as a beacon of Bicol's vibrant culture, tourist destinations, creativity, and entrepreneurial spirit. And this year is definitely no exception.
When they already start to lead the conduct rather than DTI na nanghihila sa kanila, no? And I'd like to applaud, no? Let's applaud Orgulyo Can Bicol, a recognized, registered, very active organization of MSMEs of Region 5. No? Maraming salamat sa inyo at pinapagaan niyo po yung trabaho ng DTI.
So, I just like to thank DTI. Kami po sa Tabaco, talaga pong hindi kami iniwan ng DTI. From the very start with Congressman Edsel Lagman, talaga magka-partner na po kami. And nakikita naman po natin ang fruits ng ating partnership. Again, just like the tabak, you cannot forge the blade alone. You need at least two people to hammer it.